The NRP João 2 drone carrier, redefining maritime sovereignty in the North Atlantic. The NRP João 2 represents one of the most forward-leaning transformations in modern European naval strategy. Conceived as a multifunctional naval platform, the ship embodies Portugal's shift toward effect-centric operations, where persistent presence, autonomous systems, and data-driven awareness matter more than the traditional logic of fleet size or hull type. In a North Atlantic shaped by hybrid threats, contested seabeds, and the growing strategic value of oceanographic knowledge, Portugal has chosen to build a vessel designed to sense, map, protect, and respond across multiple domains. This strategic pivot reflects a broader reorientation within the Portuguese Navy, championed by leaders such as Admiral Henrique Gouveia e Melo. Portugal's vast exclusive economic zone and extended continental shelf demand technological reach rather than numerical mass. The João 2 answers this challenge through modularity and versatility. At 107.6 meters in length, with a beam of 20 meters and a displacement of roughly 7,000 tons, the ship is engineered to shift roles rapidly. It can serve as a drone carrier, an oceanographic research platform, a logistics vessel, or a humanitarian response ship. Its endurance of 45 days and a maximum speed of 15.5 knots allow it to remain on station for extended periods, while a standard crew of just 48 operates a platform designed for far more complex missions. The ship's procurement model is as innovative as its architecture. Funded largely through the European Union's Recovery and Resilience Facility, the project aligns defense modernization with environmental monitoring, scientific research, and digital transition goals. Built by Damon in Galați, Romania, with significant Portuguese industrial participation, the vessel strengthens both national capability and European cooperation. Its dual-use nature is not symbolic. The ship is designed to transition from scientific missions to surveillance or disaster relief within days, reflecting a modern understanding of maritime sovereignty. Technically, the João 2 is built around a propulsion system optimized for efficiency and low acoustic signature. Two electrically powered shuttle Ecopeller SRE 560 azimuth thrusters, each delivering 2,600 kilowatts through an embedded L-drive configuration, provide the main propulsion. A bow thruster rated at 800 kilowatts enhances maneuverability and supports high-precision dynamic positioning. These systems, combined with Tier 3 diesel engines, allow the ship to meet stringent emissions and noise standards, including DNV's Silent A requirements for sensitive oceanographic work. The ship's flight deck, stretching 94 meters along the stern, supports both helicopters and a diverse fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles. It is designed to operate fixed-wing UAVs launched by catapult, such as the Takever AR-5, as well as vertical takeoff systems like the Ogassa OGS-42. Below the deck, a modular 650 square meter cargo space can be configured to carry containers, vehicles, or emergency medical facilities. The ship's internal volume allows it to transport up to 18 light vehicles, a similar number of containers, or a mix of rigid-hull boats and speed craft. A 30-ton crane and a side access door support rapid reconfiguration for different mission sets. Where the João 2 truly distinguishes itself is in its role as a mothership for autonomous systems. A stern ramp enables the deployment of unmanned surface and underwater vehicles, while a dedicated side hangar supports deep-sea ROV operations. The ship is specifically designed to operate the ROV Luso, capable of descending to 6,000 meters, giving Portugal sovereign capacity to map and monitor its extended continental shelf. For security missions, the vessel can deploy swarms of autonomous underwater vehicles such as the Quadroan, which have demonstrated advanced mine hunting and seabed imaging capabilities during NATO exercises. The ship's scientific facilities reinforce its dual-use identity. Accommodations for 42 scientists, integrated laboratories, a drop keel for CTD sensors, and heavy-duty winches allow the vessel to conduct high-resolution sampling of the water column and seafloor. These capabilities support Portugal's blue economy strategy and strengthen its role in international research programs. In humanitarian scenarios, the ship can house up to 300 evacuees and deploy modular medical facilities, making it a vital asset for the Azores and Madeira, regions vulnerable to earthquakes and severe storms. The João 2 also anchors Portugal's growing leadership in maritime innovation. As the future flagship of the REPMUS and Dynamic Messenger exercises, it will serve as a testbed for NATO's next generation of autonomous maritime systems. Its digital command and control architecture integrates artificial intelligence for sensor fusion, anomaly detection, and predictive maintenance through a digital twin, enabling a small crew to manage a highly complex platform. In contrast to larger drone-capable ships such as Turkey's TCG Anadolu, the Portuguese approach demonstrates that strategic impact can come from agility, modularity, and multi-domain integration rather than sheer displacement. The D. João II is a vessel designed for the realities of the 21st century, hybrid threats, contested seabeds, and the fusion of military, scientific, and humanitarian missions. As it enters service in 2026, the NRP D. João II will reshape Portugal's role in the North Atlantic, strengthen NATO's experimentation ecosystem, and provide a sovereign platform for managing the deep ocean. It stands as a modern expression of Portugal's maritime identity, innovative, adaptable, and deeply attuned to the evolving nature of maritime power.